Hi guys, my name's Harry and I'm here to show you the installation of epoxy coating at this warehouse floor. At this particular project, it's going to be turned into a medical grade storage facility. Therefore, we need to achieve a slip resistant, spill resistant, chemical resistant surface that can resist a forklift or two. Today we're going to start with a nice wash and I look forward to showing you the rest of the process. So now we need to prepare this surface with our diamond grinders. Diamond grinding for a concrete floor is just like sanding a surface back before painting, therefore guaranteeing proper adhesion for the base coat and a quality finish. On a project like this, we use our large diamond grinders for the majority of the areas and our small guys like this for the surrounds and the fiddly areas. You better put some of these on because it's about to get loud. We're finally done with the grinding. We've ground this entire area, ready for the base coat. We've filled all the cracks and made them all smooth. Today we're going to be applying the base coat. Now on a project like this, in a large area, we work in a small area at a time. And we massage it in with a roller to make a nice smooth finish. Now you might be thinking, wouldn't it be faster to spray an area like this? So think of this like skincare. If you don't rub it in, it'll just wash off. So by using rollers to apply a coating to an area like this, we create a bind that ensures that the epoxy will last a really long time. Once that's completed and had time to set, which usually takes about 24 hours, the top coat can go on. The process is pretty much the same as the base coat. Here, we're applying a solid coloured top coat. You can also choose to go with a clear finish in either matte or gloss. Or for something more fancy, you can have flakes in over 70 colours. You guys just about done? So there you have it. As good as new, maybe even better than new. And it's easy to maintain. Give it a wash down every couple of months and this floor will last a really long time. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm sure you can see that even though the process is relatively straightforward, we put a lot of time and effort into delivering the end result that we're all looking for. If you're looking to breathe life back in your commercial premises, contact us and we'll talk you through the right materials and process and we'll come out for a free measure and quote. Bye for now.